Natalie Abreu, and today I'm here with
Reggie.
and I'm just going to put this up so you can see our face. And today we are going to do why that color is representing. I don't get what it's called, but for example, she picks green. She has to say what she thinks green will look like. What she thinks something that's green. Like slime time. So if you pick like, for example, this looks black, but so what do you think is black? Like a black pillow or black blanket?
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to be doing today. It's kind of confusing for you guys, but we're not opening the slides. No. We're just going to pick up. So I'm going to choose something that's pink. What are you going to choose? Something that's gold? Something that's blue. I'm going to go first no, you can go first since you're my guest.
No, you go first.
Okay, because it's my child. Okay. No, but I want you to go. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
First. Lost.
So, pink. There could be pink toys, pink beds, pink pillows. So you have to think of 3 things. And I chose pink beds, pink pillows, and pink toys. So I'm done.
Green slime.
Green slime.
Green slime. Green grass. Green trees.
Yeah, because the leaves.
The leaves are green.
Okay, let's put this in the next pile. I'm going to choose black.
I'm gonna choose gold.
What do you think? Because since I went first for the other round.
So I'm good first. Gold. Rings.
You can go.
Gold. You know those teeth that people put in like in the
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Gold teeth.
Gold.
One more.
These can look like gold.
Gold
and then
earrings. Done. Jewelry. Bye.
My turn. Black. Something that is black. Blacky black. Oh, the chair we're sitting on is kind of black.
Yeah.
People can have black hair.
Yeah. That's
My mom's mom has black hair.
Black hair is actually like pretty. Very pretty.
My hair looks kind of black in person.
It's like black brownish.
Yeah. Have one more, because the first one I said was a chair, the second one was hair, and third one, oh my god, why is the third one? Oh, curtains can be black, because like the shells on my curtains are black. Decorative shells. Yeah. So slide.
Brown.
I'm gonna do yellow.
Brown.
Yellow.
Brown.
Oh my god.
The second one. Brown.
Chocolate.
Yeah, good. You just gave me one. Brown. What's brown?
There can be a brown floor.
Brown stick. Brown floor? What are you talking about like that? It's brown like poop in the floor.
No, I used to have a brown floor when we first moved in.
This color is like color of chocolate.
I know, right?
Like, you can
Okay,
figure out
but
the things.
remember, we're not opening the slimes. You're like obsessed. Come on, I don't want sticky stuff on my slimes.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Okay.
Don't eat slime,
Children, don't eat slime.
or else
okay?
you will choke and you
I'm
will die.
13 and I don't eat slime.
And I'm only 7 and I still don't eat slime. So she's done. And bananas, a mug, and bananas.
Purple.
And flowers. Some flowers. Done.
Okay, purple.
I'm
There's
choosing
purple, flowers. There's purple hearts. There is purple light
Pictures.
sticks. Done. Sure, her kit for finding one understand.
Red. There can be carpets that are red. I used to have
This
one.
carpets are red color.
Cots can be red, and hair dye and wigs can be red. So I get a bonus. Yeah, because I did 4
Nice.
points.
Peaches.
I'm getting pink.
Peaches. That's pink. Pink.
Should I go first?
Wedding brides pink.
Oh yeah, wedding dresses.
Give me something pink. No, peach.
Flowers can be pink.
Slime. This time. Okay, I got it. Done.
Pink slime, pink hair, pink wings. Done. Okay guys, I think that's enough for this video. It's been 5 minutes, so bye!